Hello, my name is Bruce Oppenheim from the Ohio Travel Bag Company, and today I'm going to show you how to set Jiffy Rivets. Jiffy Rivets come in different styles, the double cap style and a single cap style. The difference between these two is the double cap style has a cap on the bottom of the post and then the cap on the top or the female side. The single cap Jiffy Rivet has a cap only on the female side, and the eyelet or post size is actually flat on the bottom. They come in different sizes and colors. So check out our catalog and you'll see what we have to offer. For setting Jiffy Rivets, there's quite a few methods you can use for setting them. If you're going to be setting double cap rivets, where there's a cap again on both sides, the male post and the cap, we recommend using the double cap rivet dies. Today we're going to be demonstrating the single cap rivet dies. So let's get started. Okay, the first method we're going to show you is setting a single cap Jiffy Rivet, which is flat on the eyelet or male post side. Place it through the leather. If you're using multiple pieces of leather, you would put them on top of the post. But for this demonstration, we're just going to show you a single piece of leather. You want the post to stick out through the leather so it's barely sticking out, maybe a few millimeters. You take your cap, place it on the post, snug it down with your finger, place it on a metal block or hard surface. We have this metal block here. Then we take the specialty tool, this is a punch, that has a curved surface on the top that fits the curvature of the rivet so that you don't smash the rivet. You set the punch on top of the rivet head or cap and give it a couple whacks with a rawhide mallet. And you don't need to hit it real hard. They set right away, and as you can see, it's perfectly set. Another way to set Jiffy Rivets is with machine dies. We have a bottom die and a top die. If you're just starting out and building your toolkit, you might want to buy these and then later on buy a machine to put these in, because they work both in an anvil holder and a punch holder or top die holder. So to use it, we take the bottom die, which is flat, that goes into the shaft inside of the bottom die holder. There's a set screw on the back that you would tighten, and normally you would bolt this down onto your work surface or table. Then you would take your top die and the top die holder or handle and screw it in to the top die. Now to set it, we take our rivet, put it through the leather. Again, if you're stacking leather, you would stack multiple pieces together. For this demonstration, we're just using a single piece of leather. Make sure that the eyelet or post just sticks out a couple millimeters at the most. You don't want it sticking out too much. As I said before, if it sticks out too far, it won't set properly. You take your cap, you put it on the post, snug it down. Now, the bottom die holder has a little nipple there that will go into the hole in the bottom of the single cap Jiffy Rivet. Set that on. It won't move. Take your top die and the punch, put it on top, take your rawhide mallet, couple whacks gently, and there you have it. Perfectly set, and the top of the rivet is not damaged. And this is the hand crank machine, where you take your dies, bottom one slips in the bottom, top die fits in the top. We're not going to set a rivet in this machine because this machine is not anchored down to the table. But the way it works is the hand crank spins, bringing the shaft down or the dies together here, and sets the Jiffy Rivet. Now we're going to use our bench-mounted foot machine to set a Jiffy Rivet, where once again we put the eyelet or the post male part through the leather, the cap on top, set it on the machine. I like using this machine a lot because it frees up both hands to hold your material. Then you come down with the shaft by stepping on a pedal. Step on it, and there you have it. Perfectly set Jiffy Rivet.